That's it. That's it. Keep coming. That's it. Keep coming. Oh, look what I have. Not everybody has a cap like this. Don't you want it? Don't you want it? Come here, little boy. Come here. All right, Detour. Come here. Come here. Let me see that. Ooh. That's it. You got it. All right. So today is April. What's today? April something in the beginning, 2011, Teddy's first long distance crawl. He started out all the way over there, near the kitchen, and ended up right here. Good job, Teddy. Let's try it again.